mad at it. But I gotta be a circus. You got water. What's your own little hole?
Get in them toes, man.
Back to the ocean. Had us walking. Look how far we walk.
Look, you never walked before.
It's just so stupid that we passed that. And it wasn't like it was one chair. It is 99 rows of chairs that we walk by. Ow. They got my
But anyway, Panama City is back the way it was. All them high winds. It was actually 60 to 70 mile an hour winds. Bad, rough, dangerous surfs. All that stuff done calmed down since. It's not that bad out here. Everybody can enjoy their day. I hope those that was down here from Monday to today, I saw some people leaving. I was like, that's horrible, because they had 3 days of just bad weather, and then on a good day, they gotta go home. I myself, I gotta stay here till about Sunday. So I had 3 days to catch up and enjoy the weather down here.